Hi, in this video learn how to add text to your website. So you can add text to your different pages like your home page, about us page, contact us page. To add text to your website, navigate to website, templates, click on customize. So in the video console, click on the plus icon to add elements and under the quick add, click on text. So here you can select the text style that you want to add, size and style you can select here. Like for example, if I want to add this type of text, so you can see the text is already created here, and you can change the text also, like just add some other text, and here you can click on edit to edit the text. You can change the text color. You can change the text style. So here you can select a color for your text, and if you want to highlight it, you can just highlight the text. So this is how you can add different type of text to your website. You can add it to any part of your website, like on the top bar, on the footer, to any particular page. So a paragraph can also be added like this, and you can also customize it according to your requirement. So this is how you can add text to your website. Thank you for watching.